how to get started with a professional email address. So when we were buying domains, the hosts give us a chance to buy a matching email address. However, you don't need it if you already using Gmail account. I used to use this kind of hosted email accounts for years. However, they are very limited with space. So basically, after I received few emails, I was keeping receiving messages that I need to upgrade because my email mailbox is full and I need to pay more per month. And so this was pretty unfair. I'll show you how to get started with Gsuite, because you can get the same the same email address matching your custom domain as long as you do it through Gsuite. So basically, search for Gsuite in Google, and here you will land at the Gsuite page. This is the UK because I am based in the UK. However, once you're here, simply get started now. And on the next page, fill in your details such as business name, how many people work for you, where you are based, and click next. Okay, now add your contact details, so first name, last name, and email address, your current email address. And when finished, simply click next. You will be asked if you already have a domain. That's why buying a domain first is better. It's better to do it before buying an email address. So you can click yes, I have one I can use, and insert your domain name. Okay, and then click next. Then you will be asked to use this domain to set up all the accounts. So simply click next. Okay, and as you can see, you can then add alias to the base rockpapercopy.com or to base of your domain, and we can add, for example, sales, and then add a password that you will use to log in. When finished, click I'm not a robot, and then agree and continue. Okay, now you can review your payment plan. Obviously, the Gsuite is a premium account, so you will need to pay. It's about $12 per month. You get 14 days free. If you've got promotional code, you can use it now. If not, simply click next. And now simply review your details, add tax information, add address, and pay with your credit or debit card. When finished, simply click next. Now remember that in order to get started to activate this email address, you will need to point the domain to Google. So your domain name has to be hosted with your original host, but it has to also be pointing to Google, which I will explain in another video. If you don't do it, you won't be able to get emails. However, it is very, very easy to set it up, and I'll show you how to do it.